Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll down, choose Biometrics and Security, click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer over here. Choose Continue and remember to be still. Now choose Done, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!